Hello, on this video you're going to learn how to be more successful, how to scale faster, how to be more focused, and how to increase your overall business long term by investing on your number one asset for your business. And if you don't know what this number one asset for your business is, that is yourself. You alone are your number one asset towards your business. Whether you have a big empire or you have a small business where you're doing all the marketing, all the copy, every advertising, all the content, all the sales, whether it be a big or small business, you are your number one asset for your business. If you don't take good care of yourself, if you don't invest in yourself, you are not going to get the results that you want long term. If you want to get faster results, you have to invest in yourself. If you want to be more focused and alert, you have to invest time into yourself to stay focused and you have more energy by working out and meditating. By doing simple hacks and simple strategies, anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes a day, you could dramatically change the direction your business is going for the better. You can all of a sudden you can be more focused, so that will lead you to achieving success faster. You can stay more concentrated, more energy, have more confidence simply by taking care of yourself. You can do this as simply as just working out 20 minutes a day. If you don't have that much time, just a lot of workouts that are even shorter that will still give you the same benefits of releasing endorphins, releasing stress, while giving you confidence and keeping you focused. So take care of yourself. If you're not doing it today, I would definitely recommend you started implementing a simple workout routine to start and start scaling from there. Have a great day. Take care of yourself.